Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Tangerine PH.
Sinungaling!
So i-unbox natin to guys kung legit si seller or hindi.
Paano masabi?
Ang order ko yata rito guys is yung mini driving light switch.
Pwede na!
So titignan natin guys kung legit seller or hindi. Ayos to guys ah. So tatlo yung order ko guys eh. Kaya tatlo yung packaging. So guys, si seller is legit guys. So ito siya guys. High and low switch. Thank you for watching.